Hey guys, this is Wyze Doorbell. It costs only 30 bucks. It supports two-way communication and we're gonna see how to install it from start to end.
Oh no, it's your dog!
Hey Google, show doorbell.
Sure, streaming doorbell on kitchen display.
Here is the Wyze doorbell. It took like 6 months from pre-order and it was 30 bucks when I pre-ordered it in last September. The box itself is surprisingly small. There is not much in the box, just camera and a wedge and mounting hardware and a quick guide. That's it. Let's unpack the cables. It's supposed to be a very simple install. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, so we need this and these two. Okay, so first thing is we need to short these two with the fuse. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, now that it's shorted, we will come and close this later once the install is done. Okay, step 2, we're gonna attach these two here. Okay, now that's done. Step 3. Is to remove this volt switch and attach the bell. Yes. So we have two options. One, it goes like this, but there is going to be this brick wall blocking the camera view. Or we're going to use the wedge and it's going to go like this. Then you're going to lose the significant view from the other side. So it's going to be trial and error to see which one gives you a best view. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I just used the existing holes. I didn't drill hole and put the wedge. The next is to attach the base plate and the camera. So the next comes the plate. So last step is to attach these two, and then that goes like that. Okay, and this one goes there. Okay, now I'm gonna tuck this guy in. Yeah, please stop. And it's a lot of place. Okay, and then okay, so there is power and yeah, it's talking. So the last step is to attach the chime bell and then install the app, and then you're good to go. Okay, so let's install the Wyze app. Once the app is installed, go through the app, select your network. It will show you a QR code and you literally scan the QR code in front of the camera.
Please wait. Setup completed.
I hope this video helps. $30 is not bad at all for a video doorbell. It supports two-way communication and it talks to my existing Google. So I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.